Alright, I'm recording now. Oh, okay.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Showdown.
Yo, you gotta stop. You can't. You can't.
Too much energy to start off with.
It's too much. Okay. Let me just. This is the jam band team. Let me show the team here. Where is it? Here we go. Brail. This is the team that we're using today. Okay. With the 9-tail, it's a hail team, right? You already know what it does.
Yeah, but it's like a sick. It has Scarf Heatran.
Yeah, Scarf Heatran.
And Snow Cloak, Bright Powder, Mammo Slime.
The goat. And the other goat. The shark, my son, my child. Alright, let's just. Oh, wait, we gotta switch though. Gamer Kieran. Ooh, don't look at the password. Oh shit.
Professional recording.
Shut up. Shut up. We got it. Alright, you ready? Are you ready?
I'm ready. I am mentally ready.
To duel?
Yeah.
Let's go ahead and get this duel.
Right. Finding the first game. Here we go.
First game.
It's gonna be an easy win because this team is heat.
Yep. Oh, he has Halucha.
Maybe
though.
not. Never
so
mind.
Maybe not. It's fine. He's gonna lead with. He's probably gonna lead with Mew.
He's definitely, yeah.
So I'm gonna lead with Bishop. Oh fuck, he leveled Tafu
Oh no.
instead. Oh shit.
Oh no.
Ooh, well, you know what they say. 9-tails. Wait, oh.
In doubt.
He's just gonna like.
Oh, he's just setting up the Halucha.
Wait, he taunted. Oh shit.
Bro.
I thought he was gonna set up the second screen.
Well, now he's gonna set up the second screen.
Yeah, but oh, this may have been a game loss.
Excellent first game.
No, wait, everybody. He's just gonna go to Mew though, because he probably has like the cosmic power shit, you know? Wait, Kiram.
Nope, he went into the gamer.
So this is like sub roost probably, right? Because it's leftovers. What else would it be?
Yes. Yeah. Ooh, what do you know?
Ooh, good thing Moonblast breaks this up. We subbed again.
Oh, skillfully subbing again. Good thing we predicted that it wouldn't break the substitute there.
Oh wait, Dragon. He did not just do that. There's no way he just did that.
So now, kids, this is what we call a threat.
Now. Alright, this is no, we can still win though.
Yeah, this is an easy win.
Yeah.
We just need to hope he keeps getting greedy with Kiram.
No, he's gonna. Yeah, no, he would. Let's go spear. Okay. Yeah, we just sack this. Actually, wait, no. We sack. We could just go to Bishop here. No.
2? Skillful 2? Skillful 3?
No.
Yup.
Check this out. I think I'm gonna Iron Head here. Yeah.
Predicting the
averted.
2?
Preserve 6-0. We're not gonna say. He still has a Halucha. And then which just wins, I'm pretty sure.
Bro, Lucha. You could probably ego this guy in SD by.
He's gonna taunt first, probably.
Oh yeah, he literally is just Iron Head. Oh well.
He didn't taunt, but he would have taunted next time. So.
My prediction was correct.
But
now he'll taunt that. Now that he knows you're gonna Iron Head him.
No, he's just gonna kill me with U-turn.
Yo.
And bring in Halucha.
I wonder what he's gonna go into.
To win the game. Perhaps Halucha. Well,
Wait,
Mew
Mammo
actually
Slime.
probably. Now that
Mammo
Bishop's
Slime. Mammo swine.
We're not to this. Mammo swine? No, we gotta go Ninetales first.
Yeah, no, but I'm saying, like, Mammo swine is gonna be the goat here.
No, yeah, of course. Always the
With his
goat.
skillful dodges.
Alright, boys,
Skillful
watch
outplays.
this. Watch this. Watch this.
This is what we like to call a skillful outplay.
Oh, dude, what?
So,
Come on, bro.
That crit mattered.
This can't be
Did not
happening.
matter.
Wait. No, we lose. We just lose. Bro, come on, bro. Nobody's faster. This is so... Yo. I can't believe we lost the first game. This is not going in the video. Just kidding. It has to go in the video.
This was a scripted loss, so we can have a redemption arc.
Yeah, of course. That's what it is, truly.
Skillful loss.
Yeah, it looks like we're just done here. Just kidding, we sweep with Eruption. Because he's min speed Halucha. No, he's not.
Min speed unburdened Halucha.
You know?
Wait, he's just. Oh wait, no, he is unburdened. Never mind.
Why would...
Just using
Okay.
close combat.
Oh! We lived! Well, it doesn't matter. We die now.
We lived. Okay.
Interesting. That's
Who's your
it.
priority?
Yeah, my ice shard.
Ice shard.
You guys, you did not see that.
Yeah.
This game is the actual game. The real first game. Which will be won by us, of course. With this team, Brail. We never lose twice in a row with this team. That's a fact.
Or in general.
Well,
That game was just
did,
scripted.
But... Yeah, true.
That was my alt.
Alright. So he has sand, which inherently beats our team. So this could go a number of ways. Yeah, because Terran plays slower, and it just gets the sand up.
Skillful
So I'm
loss.
thinking I lead with Mammo Swine. Oh yeah, baby. He's not ready for what's about to happen.
Skillful dodge.
Gotta hit this superpower. I hope he stays in here
I do too.
so we can kill him. Obviously.
I hope he goes extra drill.
I would honestly rather him stay in than go.
Fuck.
Well, he didn't.
So he went into his win button.
By the Corviknight. Very true. Now he's gonna click U-turn.
And miss.
U. Oh, no. We're gonna go to Ninetales. Wait, he body pressed there instead. So I'm gonna put the veil up. Wait, no, he's gonna go to T-Tar though. He can just bring in T-Tar and I can't veil. So then what the fuck do I do? Back into Mammo Swine. Wait, he did it again. But
Skillful
missed this
dodge.
time.
Let's
So
go.
now I get that easy icicle crash. He loses to this Mammo Swine, bro.
He does.
Look at this. This is gonna flinch him too. What? It didn't flinch and he hit? It's impossible.
Oh, that did nothing though.
What, the icicle crash or the body press? Because both
Body
did.
press.
Both
Yeah,
did
both
nothing.
did nothing. But our icicle crash kills, so
No, it doesn't because it misses.
just
Or he
won't.
goes into slow, bro.
Low guy.
This
Well,
does
man.
not die to earthquake. Definitely not. Who do I go to here? Are we? We are the rock. No, we're not the rock. Like we are icy rock. That's what I meant. We're not cooking. We're not cooking much these days.
We are not cooking. We are not cooking.
I'm gonna go into Rick here. Alright, so he has a. We're life orb, yeah. So I'm just gonna bolt weak because I have low kick anyway. He goes into Excadrill. Oh,
Yeah.
good thing I have a. Well, he He could be. No, he's not Sash if he's Sam though.
Not
yeah.
Sash.
What am I thinking? Ooh, the crit, which didn't matter. But we'll take
Skillful
it anyway.
outplay.
Wait, you just saw me use low kick. What are you doing? Oh, he's probably gonna switch now, right?
Well, he's just faster if he's max speed Durant.
Oh yeah, because this thing is slow as fuck. Alright, it's fine. Oh, that's unfortunate for him. Good thing I
L
have
plus
the
ratio.
best. L plus ratio. You gotta stop. Okay. Alright. Como can win this game. Actually, yeah. It can. So I'm thinking, what do I do here? Because what is he gonna do, you know? Can get a
full win.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna go to Bishop. Rock Blast. Okay. He does not have superpower or earthquake. I've deduced. Oh, so he did. But I am faster than him. But he does have a rocky helmet, you know?
Mew and Bisharp.
No, it's fine. He's okay, Jesus Christ. Yeah, that's in the video, bro. I'm gonna sub it. What if he, like, Thunder Waves or something? But he just didn't instead. Okay, so he's letting me kill like all his Pokemon here. Did that crit matter? Probably if he was max defense, it did matter. Oh, he was Boots, yeah. So it probably did
It was
matter.
skillful. There we go. Easy.
Oh, the
Easy
6-0,
win.
by the way. Second game, 6-0. Yeah,
Yeah, see,
I'm the best ever.
first game was a warm-up game.
I was created to play this game.
No, I don't think you were.
No, I think I was. Alright, let's get another game. Edsy. Okay,
Skillful
yeah.
outplay.
Wait, this guy's 1278 and we're 1322. This is not fair.
Yeah.
Let me get this teacher in. Pretty. Yep, I'm the best. Now everybody. What if he's Sash Ferrothorn though? With Earthquake.
That's a
Wait,
good
wait,
question.
wait. See that damage? 57%. Hold on. Get used to this though.
So the weather. So,
Is he Scarfed? Probably. Oh, he went into Clefable. What if I did it again, you bastard? Son of a bitch. I'm gonna. Let me get the Veil up and then Encore him into Wish. Well, he's probably gonna. He would probably just. I don't know. Would he stay in? Probably not. I don't know. Moonblast in case he goes into Brushifu. Maybe he would stay in here though. He went to Aegislash instead. Well. I'm gonna go to Bishop. On Toxic. Interesting. Wish I could say I predicted that, but I did not.
I did.
Nice. Oh, yeah. It's not very difficult. This
Skillful outplay.
This may be the game, folks. Oh, this is the game, folks.
Arrow seed.
Bro, here. Dude, Bishop is. Wait, thanks for the attack boost.
It's all I'll lower his attack. Perfect. No.
Yeah, this might just live a sucker punch though. Oh, with the sash it
Yeah,
would.
it did.
Bro,
That crit didn't matter.
whatever. Yeah, it did matter. We are max defense bishop. Wait, he's gonna go into that guy, so I have to go him. But I'm not faster than him, am I? What is this guy's fucking speed? 322? What's 322 times? 1. Oh shit! Oh fuck! 322 times 1.5. Wait, what the fuck did I just do? Oh shit! Did I mess something up? Yeah, I don't know how to use a calculator. He's definitely faster than us. What the fuck? Whatever, I just go Kamolo. Wait, he went into this anyway. Bro, I'm about to sub up. He can't shadow wall me. Or toxic. Why did he? Okay. Well, now I just win, I think. Oh, yeah, I definitely win. What is he doing? I'm gonna click the same 2 moves in the same order. Gone. So, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, all the conditions are met. We are behind the sub. We are +4 attack, +1 speed, and we cannot be stopped. This just will die.
Fable.
We don't even need to
Unaware.
wait. Oh, it's unaware. Right. Mythical Fable.
I wish I could be unaware in real life.
Alright, this. Might as well just sack this, because it's not going to do anything while this is alive. Insists on wishing to beat me.
Tall amount of wish.
Yeah, he has 3 less wishes now. I think I go to this, and I veil up on his like wish or whatever the fuck. Yeah, wish, and then I just let me encore him into wish. Oh, he goes Volk. Okay. Like I don't have a fucking Heatran right here. Oh, dude, this is like scary though. Hold up. +1 Volcarona? Hold on. Meanwhile, Heatran is behind an Aurora Veil. What if he just, like... Hold on a second. Yeah, I'm just gonna erupt.
Eruption. Who is Shin? And why are they erupting?
What if he goes to Urshifu? Or like... Sacks Urshifu? That'd be nice.
I see literally no reason why he would
Wait,
sack
he sacked
Urshifu.
this instead.
We take those.
We do take those. Now he sacks Urshifu.
Skillful win.
Oh, protect. Of course. Why did he protect?
I don't know.
Oh, wear off the veil, probably. And then bring in the guy.
Bring in the incredibly balanced Pokemon.
Mm-hmm. Him.
Yeah, he sure is.
You know
Wait,
what,
Rick
bro.
literally just wins this.
Oh. No, he's faster though. He's probably
Is
scarfed.
he scarfed? Oh, skillful live. Let's test. Let's test if he's scarfed right now. Click veil.
No.
Yeah.
Why? We could just dodge with
I don't know,
normal swine
fun.
instead.
Oh, facts. Oh.
No, this is better though, because now we have the hail back.
Yeah.
Now we can test.
Now we have a nice little playground.
Yeah.
Now we can test.
We have 8 turns of hail now. Now we can
Yeah.
test if it's scarfed. This
Yep.
curve. Alright, so we just lose anyway.
Rick lives this.
Yeah, we live a 3 water type crits.
Oh, we actually live.
Yeah.
Skillful live.
And this dies to Volbeak, no question.
It's literally Bolt Beak.
Yeah, it's Rick.
He's taking a long time to pick his Pokemon.
Yeah, his last Pokemon.
What will I pick? What to choose?
Goodbye.
He is no stranger to love.
1% Rick does the job.
Rick used. See, that 1% is a metaphor because Rick used 1% of his power.
Alright. Let's get another game here. Rick used 1% of his power. Alright. But what is with all these haluchas?
I don't know. People be liking Halucha right now.
Heatran is not the lead this game. Because he has like, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4 Ice Weeks. So I'm actually going to lead with Ninetales. Yes. Odds will favor Ninetales. Write this one down, folks. Now I gotta, I think he's just gonna stay in. Yeah, because he's Sash. So he just died there. Sash lead lenders. Interesting. Okay. I'm gonna Orville and then go out into Heatran. Because what is he gonna do to me? Ooh, this +2 Psychic is gonna blow me away, bro. I'm kinda scared.
I'm not Flash Fire, trust me.
Now he's gonna Psychic, or just switch out. Which is why I'm gonna. Okay, so he stayed in here. What are you doing? Oh, he's Roost. Yeah, that's a problem. That's a big problem, actually, because we just lost to this. See, regular Magma Storm Heatran beats Volcarona, but not Scarf Heatran. So the game. Wait, no. What am I talking about? We have a fucking. We have the goat.
Bro Sharp.
No, Mamoswine.
Bro Swine.
We have to dodge with Mamoswine.
Skillful.
It's gonna happen too. You know it is.
If it doesn't, I'm gonna be very sad in our pig.
Alright, please, Mamoswine, please. Yeah, let's go.
Skillful dodge.
Forfeit incoming. 3, 2, 1, forfeit. Dude, he loses to this now. Look at this team and look at this. We just lost.
Dodge. He's taking time to like process what just happened.
He's thinking, oh wait a second, how could this happen to me? I was +6.
Running the numbers.
+6, knock them out, even if they sassy. Just kidding.
It's just like, how have I done this?
He has no idea what to do right now. Tapu Koko? What move does this have to kill me? It's just gonna miss. Oh, reflect, right? Because they're all.
He can't miss reflect.
He can. Now I just Ice Cool Crash. And miss. Nice. Now I Ice Cool Crash again. And hopefully not miss again.
Yup.
Wait, +1 defense and the screen.
Ooh, this might live.
I have to Ice Shard here. Oh, it did nothing. The fuck? Ice Shard did 20. Oh, that's right. I just listed all the reasons that it would do that. So we lose again. Actually, no.
Wait, no, you literally have Sucker Punch.
Yeah, but he's not in range to Sucker Punch now. We have to wait until. Crash Casey goes to. I'm gonna switch out. This wins the game, but. He's just gonna clear. Yeah. Now I got a Bishart.
Now he's in range.
Yeah.
Now he clicks Roost.
Yeah, that's why I'm a sword stance. Oh fuck. Hey man, whatever. You know? That was the only way I could have won though, cause like.
Yeah.
Look at all these guys, you know?
Yeah.
Whatever. Another day. Another game. Do we want to use a different team now?
No. We gotta go positive with Brail in this session.
How many games have we played?
3. We've lost 2.
Okay, we'll win another one. Then we'll use a different team.
Actually, we've never lost, so.
Yeah, it's true. Actually. See, Scarf Heatran would be good here if it wasn't slower than his potential Scarfers.
Yeah, but it's funnier than his potential Scarfers.
Yeah. Whatever, he's not Scarf. Oh. He thinks I'm regular Heatran.
Yeah, but
So
we're
he may
cool
just...
Heatran.
Wait, I'm gonna make the best play in the world and go to Ninetales. What'd you say?
What? Oh, I was gonna say, imagine if this thing isn't scarfed, and he's just like, oh, it's just normal Heatran, just Earth power.
I'm gonna go to Ninetales here. Whatever happens, happens. He's not gonna fire move me though. Sure, we're gonna switch. Yeah. Nice freeze your eye. Ooh. Let me encore him into getting frozen.
So POV, we click Aurora Veil and go into Komodo.
Yes. Oh, Cortana though. Wait, I can't wait for it. Komodo. Oh, he does have the combo though. Flying type, ghost type, to all our set infinitely.
No. He doesn't know that.
No, he has no idea. Huh, it appears he may have an idea. Like, why does he stall though? Whatever, bro. We can earthquake this. Hail is 6%, so we'll live one more time. And then, wait, we'll actually just be on 1%.
We have 6.5% HP left, Carter. I just doxed your name in the video.
Does not matter. I just got fatter. He's gonna oh, mind blown. Wait.
Mind kamikaze.
Oh yeah, he just has the shit. You know, the shit. I'm gonna think really long and hard about it. No. He has no reason not. He has no reason not to. Actually.
Oh yeah, he has literally no reason.
No reason at all not to. Aisha. It's okay though. I win with Scarf Heatran.
Yeah, Scarf Heatran, the best.
Watch him be Sash. Sash Sword Dance.
Ooh.
Do it again.
Like,
better be Scarf
Why is this Heatran
Cortana.
faster than me?
Wait, Volcarona. Oh wait, if this is Roost, remember folks.
Yeah.
Whatever, he's not Roost. Oh, nice.
Oh.
Oh fuck, he is Roost. Okay. Alright, there's one play here, Almost wanted to dodge the flamethrower.
I don't have hail up.
Still dodge, you got that bright powder.
Yeah.
You just can't see me. I got that bright powder. Oh, or you can sack Cortana. That works as well. Wait, why don't we? Oh yeah, defense stat.
The defense setting is.
I just sack Rick.
No.
Wait, synthesis.
Bro,
Damn, what?
Forbidden.
Why does he have synthesis? Wait.
For Cortana long play.
That just means that. Wait, low kick is base 20 now.
Yeah, because he's not a heavy boy.
No, but it was just funny.
Well,
That means we just
POV
win with
live.
Scarf Heatran. Yeah, we did live that. Still cool. Why does he have synthesis, bro? Why didn't he use it there? Oh, he wanted to get the attack boost. True. Alright, well, good thing this is faster. Because he's synthesis.
Synthesis.
I hope he switches into vocal and gets to a kill. Wouldn't that be something?
And this is arguably funnier.
What did he do last time? Oh, it was a crit last time, wasn't it?
Yeah, it did 90 on a crit, so you know it'll still kill it in 2 hits.
No, he's gonna roost. He's gonna quiver dance and then he's gonna roost.
Or he won't.
I think he will. Alright, we'll dodge here.
Skillfully.
If we don't, good game. Alright, good game. Just kidding. There's a chance. There is a chance here.
And now he will try.
Wait.
Oh, I thought you SD'd there. No.
No, but I should have. Whatever. I'll SD right
Always
here.
go
Fuck,
for
dude.
DM.
It's okay. It's okay. You can still crit again. Oh wait. Oh yeah.
Wait.
Eruption only has APP.
Oh.
We could have played this. Why are you quiver dancing, bro? Homie. No, we
Oh.
cannot. We cannot. We can. That was such an easy game to win, probably. But
Yeah.
whatever. We'll win this next one. If we don't win this next, okay. We can do this. We can pull through. I can feel this one. This is gonna be an easy game. I can just feel it. It's 2 a.m. Wait, Zorak.
I wonder what he's going to lead with.
Probably the Zorak would be my first guess. But I just don't care. Could this be Zorak, folks? Perhaps. Or it could just be a regular Kartana. Oh, this is a speed tie. Well, if he's not Scarf Kartana. He could be Synthesis.
He's gonna be Nasty
Kartana.
Plot Kartana. Watch, he clicks Nasty Plot here. Because it's Zor work.
Yeah. I'm just gonna, yeah. Get the fuck out of here.
Oh, it's Nasty Plot Kartana! Ah!
Oh, bro. I thought you said that after the Illusion War.
Yeah.
Wait. I think this is the real Kartana, bro.
Hold on, I'll ask him.
But unfortunately, we have no switch-ins for this, so we just lost. Whatever, it's fine. Is he a... No. If he's Scarf, he's faster than Rick. So, yeah, he tries to play here.
It's like, aw, easy heat train kill.
Yeah, but he's gonna go to one of his guys here. Umbreon or Fee or whatever the fuck.
No, he's gonna stay in. Watch.
And Smart Strike, yes. You're right, of course. Wait, he actually... Bro, what the fuck? Why would he stay?
He's not scarfed, Carter, come on!
Bro, how's it supposed to know he wasn't Scarf? Alright, well, now that I know he's not Scarf.
Well, I knew he wasn't scarfed.
How'd you know that? How you do that? Oh, Garchomp. Hold up. I just lost to Garchomp. That's what I'm thinking. Whatever, let me get a chip on this for I need Scarf Garchomp. Okay. Scarf Garchomp, huh? That's how you want to play? Let me dodge this real quick. Wait, he's gonna switch though, actually. So let me just. Wait, let me claim this victory actually, because he left. 1 minute to reconnect. Do you think he reconnects in 1 minute? I don't. Hello?
Huh? Huh?
You still here?
Huh? Yeah. I'm chill.
Okay.
Oh, well, he's not.
Why did he probably just disconnected. No, actually, he closed his laptop because he realized that
Skillful win.
Amazon was the GOAT. What if he comes back right now? Nope.
Hey, skillful win. Let's
We
go.
won. Alright, that is our win. We
That
would have
is
won
our
that
win.
game.
Yeah, we literally won that game anyways, so
Definitely
there we
won.
go. That's the win.
Different team now? What do we want to use?
You could probably end the recording there, because like we did like 5 games with Braille, and we could just do another
No, we're doing
video.
another game. We're doing another. Oh, facts, actually. Cut up the vid? Yeah, true.
Yeah, more content.